There's a blessing in the making every single day, but you gotta try and see it in a different way. Even hard times have a silver line. It's the beauty of the journey, not the finish line. God bless every time that I failed. I got the most out of every mistake. It brought me here today and made me who I am. Blessing in the making. I gotta let it through. Smiling when it's aching. That's what I try to do. Blessing in the making. Gotta let it through. Smiling when it's aching. That's what I try to do. Yeah. That's all that I got, and every single thing that I am not. Possibilities are never running out. But tell me, is it ever gonna be enough now? Before you know it, we can lose it all somehow. So don't you ever wait. Oh no. Come on, now let's celebrate. Blessing in the making. I gotta let it through. Smiling when it's aching. That's what I try to do. Blessing in the making. Gotta let it through. Smiling when it's aching. That's what I try to do.